Hey guys, welcome to NG Tech. Nishant here back with another video, and today I'll be unboxing the budget king of smart from Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 7. Let me give you a spoiler right away. If you're looking for a phone under 10,000 rupees in India, this is no doubt the best smartphone you could buy right now. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox the device and give you my first impressions. A pretty normal box, nothing extraordinary here. The Redmi Note 7 written at the side. Let's quickly go through the specs first. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC, 6.3-inch Full HD plus notch display, dual cameras of 12 megapixel main shooter and 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, and 4000 mAh battery. This is the 3GB RAM and 32 gigs variant. At the top of the box, you can see the price, which is 12,999 rupees, but you're gonna get it on Flipkart for just 9,999. Let's just quickly unbox the device. It is kind of heavy. Well, it weighs at 186 grams. You could blame that to the 4000 mAh battery, but it's a good thing. Let's put the phone aside and see what else is there in the box. The power adapter, the Type-C cable for charging, a case, and some paperwork consisting of a user guide. A case is cheapest as it can be, but it's free with the phone, so no complaints. You will get this SIM ejector tool as well. While the phone boots up, let me give you a physical overview of the phone. At the top, you have the headphone jack, which is pretty good. A secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom, you have the speaker grill and a USB Type-C port. At the right hand side, we have the volume keys and the power button. And the left you get the SIM tray. At the back, you get a dual camera of 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture plus 2 megapixel depth sensing for the portrait for that shallow depth of field. Let's peel the protective plastic off. As you can see, you have been greeted by the MIUI 10 logo. Let me fast forward the setup process to speed things up and save you some time. As you can see, it comes at around 70% charged out of the box. That's pretty cool. Setup is complete and we are on the home screen. 6.3-inch display looks really good. It's not AMOLED, it's an LCD IPS display, so don't expect those deep blacks, but for this price I'll say no complaints. Let's go to settings and see what Android version it's running on. And as you can see, it's running on Android 9 Pie out of the box. Some pre-installed apps here, it's not a bloatware, so if you want to use them, then you can use or even uninstall them to save you some space. Talking about the space, let me quickly show you guys how much free storage you'll get on this device. And it's 21.62 GB, so 9 GB has been eaten up by the system. Let's try the full screen gestures. I prefer the back button to the left, so that's good that they are providing the option here. I just love the app opening and closing animation. While swiping up and holding it would open the recent screen. Let me put the case on the phone. I would still prefer you to buy a better case for your phone, as this is just the cheapest one they could give you. But you're gonna get it for free, so yeah, no complaints. Let's talk about gaming and let's see what this phone can push PUBG graphically. As you can see, it has been set to medium, not bad for a 10K phone. Let's go to settings. Can we go HD? Let's see. Yes, we can go HD. Can't do HDR, but that's okay. You can set the frame rate to high, which is really cool. Style, I prefer realistic. Okay, that's good. So let's quickly run an Antutu benchmark for all the geeks out there, fast forwarding to the results. It scored 1,36,839. I would say it's really a good score. You won't be disappointed with its performance. Just came across this animation for the stock apps, which is really cool. Let's open the dialer. And did you see that? I'll do a slow motion here. Wow, that is really cool. Message. Whoa, even this one has it. See, I'll do slow motion. Yes. Browser. Yeah, browser should have it. Yeah, it does have. Camera. Yes, I'll do a slow motion here, just so that you can see this. Wow, it's pretty cool. Gallery. Yeah, I think yes, gallery. Do a slow motion. Pretty cool. Let's check out the camera. Yeah, camera. Yeah. Okay. So we're all photo, video, portrait. This is the selfie camera. Okay. I'll show you some shots here, which I shot on the Redmi Note 7. I would say it's a pretty good shooter. I would say the peaks are very decent. And that's it. watching, guys. Give a like if you like this video. Would really appreciate it. Take care. See you till my next video. Stay tuned for more content and click here to see my stock versus Gcam comparison and even the PUBG performance on the Redmi Note 7.